Crazy Framer here again. I put my last videos out on interior walls. Some of you guys had some questions about the way I put my backings, where I write 2x4 up or down or 2x6 up or down. So I cut all these plates in here. I'll lay them all out and show you what I mean. So when you get a wall like this, these walls are going to come in like here. So put these out of the way. Mark these lines and the top. Then this is going to be the top, this is the bottom. So when that stands up like this, I need the backing on this side. So I'm going to go X there and then a 2x6 up. That's because this wall is going to come into it like this, so you want the 2x6 to be right here and then your 2x4 be right there like this. So that way when the wall comes in, they have backing to nail their drywall to here and here. That's why you couldn't put a 2x4, because the 2x4 would only cover that, and then the wall would come in and there wouldn't be backing here. So that needs to be 2x6 up. If the wall was coming in on the other side like this, I would write 2x6 down, because I would put it there. So when this is laying down and you're building your wall, 2x6 up means like this. If it was 2x6 down, it would be like this. And on the corner, since these are coming in like this, this one can be a 2x4 up, and that will go like this, so it has backing for this to come in. If the wall was coming in from the other side, then I would write 2x4 down, and it would be like this for this wall to come in. So we'll finish this wall off. I have another wall coming in here, so that will be another 2x6 up. And I'm gonna put the stud on this side of the line and go 2x6 up. I could also put the stud here and 2x6 up, but I think that's gonna leave too much of a space, so I'll put it here so it's closer together and I don't go over 24. 2x6 up. And I'll just mark on here 23 1/4. That's close enough. So I also have a tub going in here. This is going to be the bathroom. It's 5 feet wide. That's the width of the tub, and the tub's going to come out 3 feet. So I'm going to put a backing in for the tub. 3 feet. I'll put the stud there and then go 2x6 down. That's just backing for my tub, so that they can screw the tub into it. So this is a 2x6 up for this wall coming in, and this is going to be a 2x6 down for tub backing on this side. Now that only works because this is the top and this is the bottom. If you flipped it and I made this the top, this the bottom, and this the top, then it would be backwards. See, it would say 2x6 up, which would go that way, and that would be wrong. So you can lay out either side of the plate, you just have to keep your top and bottom right so your up and downs work. And then I will just finish the layout. It's just a stud on the end, stud there. If it's not a space over 2 feet, I won't even put another stud. And then it'll be a door right here. So a door, I'll put 3 inches off the corner. Stud, cripple. Then the size of the door is 32 inches. Well, the size of my opening for the door. Now that comes pretty close here, but it doesn't matter. I'll put my stud, cripple, and then my L. I've got enough room. The L will go there, and then the stud and cripple go there. square it up. So then on a wall like this, same thing, you're going to want a 2x4 up. On the corner one, it doesn't have to be a 2x6 here. It can be a 2x4, and then it runs in like that. It sticks out 1.5 inches for backing here. So you would go, remember to know what your top and bottom is. And then this would be a 2x4 up on the corner. So stud on the corner, and then 2x4 up. Like that. And this wall is coming in like this, so I'm gonna mark 3.5. And this wall will come in like this, and the 2x4 will hang over like that. So this gets the L, this gets a stud. If it was the other way around and you had your plates like this, then this would get the 2x4 down, and this one would just be the stud. So you can do it either way, but if it's going like this, this hangs over here. If it goes like this, this hangs over here with the L like that. But I did it like this, so it's gonna go the 2x4 up like that, and then just a stud here, and then this will go over top like that. This wall is just a basic wall, no doors or nothing, so I just need to put studs on top of every joist. So here's a joint in my plywood. I know there's a joist here, so I'll put the first one here. And then just mark 19.2. My tape out, find a 19.2 mark. And then mark them with the X going on the same side. I'm not going to put one there because this will still be less than 24 inches. Stud on the end. Square these up. Stud on the end. Flip it back up. That one's gonna go over 5.5, and this one's gonna go over 3.5. So over here now, this one's coming in here. So mark it here, mark it here, mark it on top, and this is top, this is bottom. That's an ugly piece of wood, but we'll put a stud 2x6. Which way would that go? Up for this. I'm just gonna top, bottom, it'll be like this. Stud here, 2x6 here. Then there's backing on both sides. 2x6 up. Then on this corner, go in there. So this one will hang over like this. So this one gets the stud. This one gets a 2x4 up. For the corner. That's a 2x6, and that's why you don't need a 2x6. You only need a 2x4. So 2x4 up, and then just a stud there, and then this hangs over, and this one back. Hope this video cleared up any questions you had about the layout. If you have any other questions, leave me a comment, and make sure you subscribe. Time to have a beer.